Welcome to the second episode of Cooking with Chef Boyardee. Today we're going to be making some ice cream, deboned reboned pizza, and salt tea. Well, we're going to start with the salt tea. You have the water pre-boiled this time. Same way as last time. First off, we're going to be adding the tea, and we're just going to let it sit for a bit. But you have to be careful, we can't let it sit for too long, or it might become an entirely different type of tea. Now, while that sits, we're going to go and clean the bones for our deboned reboned pizza. We had them marinating in this bowl for quite some time, but it's time to check if they're ready to go. And now that that's them, we can wash our hands. Alright, so we got our deboned pizza here. As you can see, there are clearly no bones on it. But we're gonna rebone it because, you know, flavor, right? So we got our fresh bones right here for the pizza. So we're gonna kind of just throw them on there in no particular order. Alright, so let's throw this in the oven for like maybe 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, so now we're gonna be making some ice cream. We're gonna need some ice to start with. And next we need some sort of dairy product, for example, milk. Alright, that should be enough. Alright, so last but not least, you gotta put the scream in the ice cream. Alright, now on your microwave, putting it to setting number 2. Yep, that's the right one. This should create ice cream after exactly a long time. So let's just start it, come back to it later. Alright, so it's just about time to add the salt to the tea. That's unusual. Wait a minute. I must have waited too long. The tea has become ghost tea. Hey, help me catch this thing. Oh no, it's trying to get away. Everyone knows that salt kills ghosts, and this is a salt shotgun. I think I got it. Just to be safe. Alright, this doesn't look too possessed anymore to me. Alright. Now that that's done, I guess it's more of a salt tea now. Alright, we can check on pizza now. Alright, that looks like it's about done. Here we go. Deboned Reboned Pizza. Alright, so looks like the ice cream should be done about now. Let's take a look. Alright, looks pretty ready to me. Alright, so as you know, it's all about the presentation. So we already have our deboned reboned pizza prepared for consumption right here. As for our tea, always served with a fork. And our ice cream, it's gotta be in a bowl. meet our critic then. Alright, yes, I'm Chef Boyardee. Nice to meet you, I'm the chef here. And, you are?
I'm Mr. No.
Mr. No. Interesting name.
No.
Alright, so the first course of this 3-course meal is a salt tea.
Oh boy. Let's try this. Smell is interesting. Gotta stir it around a little bit. Interesting. The flavor is very, I don't know how to call it. I rate it 5 out of 7 stars.
Ooh, tough critic. Hopefully he'll, like our second course a bit better. Next, I present you Deboned Reboned Pizza.
What kind of restaurant are you running? Where are my forks and knives?
Apologies, I'll get those. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Thank you. Let's try this. Oh boy. It's very tough. Oh boy. I can barely get through it. Oh. The flavor's pretty good, but it was very tough. I'd say it's 7 out of 8.5.
The pizza might be tough, but not as tough as this critic.
Oh boy. I can't wait to see what else disappoints.
And for our third course, I present to you ice cream.
Oh boy. What's so special about this dish?
Why don't you give it a try and you'll find out.
Alright, here we go. Interesting. Let me try another bite. Very interesting, most exhilarating. I give it a 3 out of 3.
Well, that's the kind of rating we're looking for around here. Thank you. And I guess I'll see you guys next time on Cooking with Chef Boyardee.